I know you want me. You know I
We're in Vero.
Oh my
and it's
God.
gonna snow.
This is my French look.
Yes, this is my ski look.
We.
Because I want to go skiing so bad.
How do you like this weather?
Oh, I love it. I swear I saw snowflakes today. I was standing on my balcony. Oh my God, look at that. I was standing on my balcony.
Oh my God, look at the clouds.
I know. You guys, it is freezing in Vero Beach, Florida.
And this is very unusual because we have been, this has been like 3 weeks now, so this is not our weather. So,
this is our first show too of January.
yeah, Happy New Year! Yes! Well, let me see. Woo! Happy New Year, baby! Woo! So are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Me too.
We're going to Starbucks.
Of course. Now, the weather.
Yes.
We're gonna be sending this to Fox TV because this is Vero Beach when everybody comes because the weather is so
Wait,
perfect.
let me turn it around. The window is getting foggy.
My goodness.
And look at the smoke over the bridge.
You got the visibility is very what? The
Hello, we can't even see.
Yeah, very low, bad visibility. So baby, pay attention.
The streets are getting icy.
Oh my God, I'm so. I need to move. You want to do some cardio today?
Yes, I will. Once I get my Starbucks, okay? Oh my God, I can't even see out the window.
Oh Lord.
It's getting hot in here.
Are you hot?
Wait, is my car stalling?
No.
Do you hear the tires?
Are you crazy?
It's like ice. No.
We were.
The windows are all steamy.
Oh, I can write. I love you. I love.
That's how freaking cold it is.
Yes.
Okay, you people in Michigan that don't believe us.
Yes.
We got our Starbucks.
Yes.
Woo.
So now what?
We're trying to keep warm. It's 39 degrees.
And it's dropping.
Yes.
And
fast.
although this is Vero Beach,
Florida.
without very much that there is anyone at the beach.
Yes. There is like steam coming from the cars, and you saw earlier, it is freezing.
It is freezing, but you know what? We have a wonderful way to keep warm. We have Starbucks and
over to the beach.
yes,
We're gonna do a beach report.
yes,
For you.
yes. I might get naked.
Now we're gonna see how many people are at the beach. How many of you snowbirds came? Your feathers.
Oh my God, your phone! Are you crazy?
Kick rock.
Woo! Come out! Woo! I love it! Who's calling you?
Amanda. Okay, so anyway.
Now tell them.
We are going, what? We are going to the beach. We're going to give you a report and see if any snowbirds are at the beach today.
Would you like to go swimming?
39, no. I would like to go into a hot tub maybe, but not swimming.
You want to go on the beach with me and
Okay.
you want to put your bathing suit so we can
Hell no! And we're also going to go over to Publix shopping center in Miracle Mile and maybe interview some people or see what the fashion code is for today.
I'm stunned.
You are stunned. Why?
Because I see all these people driving like crazy, although it's
Yes.
very wet, it's raining, it's
roads are
very icy,
slick.
very slick, very dangerous.
Uh-oh, there's a cop. Put your
Oh boy,
seatbelt on.
the police.
Please. We forgot. Safety first.
I got my bag.
Remember, when you're out driving in these conditions, ski weather, that
I love.
I'm actually like choking.
To my friends out there, do you like my French look? Vous parlez français?
I'm the ski girl. Whoa.
And
Wait,
then-
what did they say? Hang 10? No, that's surfing.
That
What's
is
ski lingo?
ski lingo is fall
wanna
on your, fall on your ass.
I want to go snowboarding. Okay.
This is unbelievable. See how cloudy, how gray, doom,
Wait,
gloom.
there's a girl with a scarf. There's another person. We are not the only ones with jackets on and
Boots,
scarves.
or like a winter boots, because it's raining. See, people are not used to this, that they run. See, they just to get to their car, they run. This is like...
Yeah, they're running.
Oh.
Oh, look at that lady. She's got her hood
Yes.
on.
Awesome.
Okay, people are got their hoods on. They're freezing. Right, Josefina?
Oh,
Look
yes.
at that. That lady has a skirt on.
Let's keep a little music so we can stay warm
Okay,
here.
we're at the plaza. There ain't no one out
Oh
here,
my
is there?
God, it's empty. Can
Dead.
you-
There's
Ooh.
the famous Ocean Grill.
Oh. And Mulligan's Beach House.
Yeah, there's like no one outside partying.
No.
All right,
Wow.
let's check out the beach and see who's down. What? Oh my God. It's 39 degrees out. Woo! I can see the steam coming from your mouth. Josefina's the only one on the beach. Oh my God, you are Wonder Woman. Woo! My hands are ice cold. I actually think it's snowing.
Beautiful.
Crazy!
For all you guys, I love you, baby. I did it for you. We are reporting live
From Vero Beach.
about the weather report today. It's freezing.
Yeah.
Cold.
We're getting ready to hit the slopes.
Yuppie!
And it's not the ski slopes.
You're going
it's
skiing.
the beach.
I'm going swimming.
Where is your glove?
See, people are waving. They don't.
Yes.
They don't dare to get
Can
out
you
of
see
the
our
car.
smoke?
Oh, look at this! We're smoking! Baby, I'm smoking.
Oh yeah. It's hot. We hope that you loved our weather report at the beach.
Yes, we had a great time giving you the information about the weather in Vero Beach, which is very unusual. That's why we're doing this report for you today.
Yes, and to see the amazing, the one, the only Dr. Josefina
And
Peasant
Oh
in
my God.
30-degree weather.
I did it only for you. Now, is anything else that, please send your comments, your reports, and feedback.
Add us on YouTube.
Yes.
It's YouTube/Vera Chicky is all of our car shows.
Yes, on my website or on YouTube or on Facebook, because we like to hear from you. We like your response. We like to find out how entertaining and informative this show, Chicky show, in the car is for you.
Yes.
So you keep us going by giving your feedback, your comments, your support, and everything you got.
Yes.
Baby, I think we did a fabulous job. Woo!
We will see you next.
Yes, stay warm. Stay in touch. Keep loving us because we love you. Woo! Go.
Wait, and as Steve Weagle says, it's snuggle weather.
Yeah.